First, let's create some PowerPoint slides and add a text to them. Select the first slide, then go to Slideshow, Record Slideshow. To only record your voice, click the camera icon to disable it. Click the record button to start the voice over your first slide, hit the space button to progress to the next slide. Your voice recordings will be spreaded on each corresponding slide.
This is my first slide. Second. This is the final slide.
Click Stop, then the X button. Let's see the results.
This is my first slide. Second. This is the final slide.
All done. Please subscribe.